What if Alice in Wonderland's story was different? What if the Queen of Hearts actually did harm her right when she fell down the hole? Hey guys, welcome back to MDC Beauty / my special effects corner. Today's video is obviously going to be the Alice in Wonderland, the Queen of Hearts, off with her head, and she literally went off with Alice's head. So the concept kind of was, she went down a rabbit hole, but what if the Queen of Hearts just went off with her head? That was the vibe I was trying to think of whenever I was creating this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see how I created my off with her head Alice in Wonderland look, keep on watching.